As a beginner in React, understanding basic JavaScript functions and methods are very important since React is built in JavaScript. Here, we're going to learn a few of them before our main practice sessions. So first of all, we have the arrow functions. Arrow function. And what does it do? So the arrow function provides a more concise way to write functions, and it's often used for callbacks and functional components in React. So for instance, we can have something like this. We want to write a function and we want to add a plus b. So let's set our parameters and have our curly braces open and a return value, which we are returning a plus b. And it's the semicolon. And now you come down to write our arrow function. So you write a variable, or initialize a variable, and we are adding them, which the add is equal to and then you have a plus b. So this is an example of an arrow function. And next we have the let, const, and var. So these are how to initialize or write variables. So the let allows us to declare variables that can change later in the future. So let num equals 10. This can be changed in the future. Okay, it's not necessarily constant like this one over here. So if I should write this, const num equals, let's say 5. Okay, I have a num here already, so let's say num equals 5. Yes, now this one here, I've declared a variable that I can't change it after I've set it. So it's there and it's going to be used throughout. So whenever I call this num, it's going to pick 5. And then we have var, which is like that of let, but then it's old-fashioned. Okay, we don't use that in modern JavaScript. So var number equals another way of setting a variable, but then sometimes it behaves unexpectedly. It's sometimes misbehave. Okay, it can give unexpected behavior that wasn't supposed to happen in your codes. So this is kind of old-fashioned. And we have template literals. So template literals have to do with strings and backticks. So they allow you to embed expressions and variables within a string using backticks. When I say backticks, this is a backtick. This is an example of a backtick. usually is beneath the escape key. If you can't find a backtick on your keyboard, just below the escape key, you find a backtick there. And so you can have an example like const and so like name is equal to John. And then you can have console.log console.log. Okay, console.log hello. So before you initialize your string, before you write your string, you need to insert the backticks instead of quotes, like double quotes or single quotes. Here, use a backtick so that you'll be able to embed a variable expression, which is a string. So we have hello, comma, and then you bring the dollar sign and then a curly brace and a name. So it's taking its value from John. Name is duplicated. Now okay, so names John. So it's going to display when I log this on the console. It's going to display hello John. And let's look at another example of something common we are going to meet